What are the best free traffic sources for affiliate marketing? Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson, and I'm shooting this quick video here just to kind of go over those free traffic sources you can use to build your affiliate marketing business. So let's get into the content here. Hey, once again, it is Daniel P. Robertson, and so I'm shooting this video in my car outside of my day job, and you know, I wanted to kind of show you that it really is possible to succeed with affiliate marketing. Even if you still have a day job, you can build a side hustle. So that's kind of one of the reasons why I'm doing it here in my car. Also, because I'm doing this 90-day challenge, right? And I'm committed to uploading a video every single day to YouTube to teach you about affiliate marketing, building a passive income business online, things like that. And really, this channel is all about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So if that sounds like something you want to learn, hit subscribe and hit the bell icon. And so this video really is about the best free traffic sources for affiliate marketing that you can use to grow your business. And I like the idea of using content marketing to grow a business, because content marketing is all about delivering value up front so you can build trust and respect with your audience. And when you have trust and respect with your audience, they're much more likely to buy from you. It's much easier to sell to someone who feels like they've gotten value from you before, who feels like they trust you. They want to, they're interested in what you have to say. They like you, they like your personality, they like your content, right? It's just so much easier to sell someone who's already been exposed to you in that way and who trusts you in that way. And that's why I focus on content marketing. And you can do content marketing with completely free traffic. You can also use paid traffic, but this video really is about the free traffic sources you can use. So let's go into the number one best traffic source for affiliate marketing, and that's Google. Google search is by far one of the best traffic sources for building your online business. You have to understand that Google is the number one website in the world. It's also the number one search engine, and search is extremely powerful because when people are searching for answers to a problem and your content shows up as the answer to their problem, you give them the solution, you give them value. That's what we're talking about, content marketing, giving value up front. And then from there, you can lead them from a blog post or a video or whatever piece of content that shows up on Google. You can lead them from there to opt into your mailing list, to your email list, and then you can follow up with them over and over again. The second best traffic source, the second best free traffic source for affiliate marketing is YouTube. YouTube is the second largest website in the world. It's also the second largest search engine. Also, YouTube is very powerful because you can record videos like this one, right? You can do it with your phone, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. You don't need any fancy camera, any fancy equipment. I do recommend that you get a microphone other than just the standard microphone that's in your camera, because you want a good audio quality, right? But have a phone, have a basic microphone that you plug into the phone, and you can record videos, and then you can do keyword research for those videos. I have a tutorial on keyword research for YouTube, and I have another video for search engine optimization for YouTube. So those videos should be popping up in the cards either over here or over here at the top, one of those sides. I don't know which side it is. And so the idea is that you create content around keywords that people are searching for. You create videos around keywords that people are searching for. You optimize those videos for search. You upload them, and you do it consistently over and over again. And you're going to start getting traffic from Google and YouTube, because, you know, Google owns YouTube. So they're going to show up in Google search. They're also going to start showing up in YouTube search and YouTube suggestions. And you can get a lot of views, a lot of traffic doing this, and you can lead that traffic again to your landing page where you can collect the email address so that you can follow up with your prospect. All right, now the third best free traffic source for affiliate marketing is Facebook. Facebook is another very popular website. Specifically, I want to talk about Facebook groups. Facebook groups are powerful because, generally when people go onto Facebook, they're not really looking for content. Like with search, they're searching for a solution to their problem. They're searching for something. They type in something to the keyword, to the search engine, and then they find content, right? Facebook, that's not how things work. You don't generally search for things on Facebook, but when you join groups, those groups, you often are about looking for something, right? They're about a specific topic that people are interested in. And so a lot of times in those groups, people are searching for problems, answers to their problems in those groups, and they're going into those groups and asking questions about the topic that the group's about, right? About, whatever the group's about, they're asking questions in that group about it. So then when you go in, become a valuable member of that community, don't spam your links and just think that you can just throw your links out there and get results, because that's not going to work. You're going to get banned. But go in there, become a valuable member of a community, engage in the discussions, and when relevant, throw a link in to, if you're creating YouTube videos, throw a link to a YouTube video. If you're creating blog posts, throw a link to a blog post, right? When it's relevant in the discussion. And got to be careful with this, because even sometimes that can get you banned. So you want to check with the moderators of the group before you do this. You can also build your own groups around a topic for your affiliate business, whatever your niche is. You can form your own group and grow your own group as well. All right, so then the fourth best traffic source for affiliate marketing, free traffic source, that's going to be Instagram. Instagram, it's a very popular, platform, a very popular social network, and a lot of people are using it very successfully to get traffic for affiliate marketing. Now, I'm not an expert on Instagram, so if you want to learn more about Instagram, I definitely recommend that you check out some great training on it. That's not really my topic. That's not my expertise right now. It is something I want to learn in the future, but for right now, I'm focusing on, YouTube. My big focus is on YouTube. And that's what I kind of want to recommend to you, is that you focus on one of these when you're starting out. You pick one, you learn about it. You learn how the algorithm for that channel works. So you learn about YouTube algorithm. You learn about, Google search algorithm. You learn about the Facebook algorithm. Whatever platform you choose, pick one platform, focus on getting really good at that one platform. I'm focusing on YouTube right now with this 90-day video marketing challenge that I'm doing. I highly recommend YouTube because it is so powerful for search and for branding. So that's my recommendation. YouTube is probably the best one that I would pick. And if you want to pick another one, that's fine. Go with another one. Just learn about that one platform and then become a master at that platform and getting traffic with that platform. So if this video has been valuable to you, if you've learned something, if you feel like you got value out of it, go ahead and share it with your people on social media. Hit the thumbs up, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.